So I was asked to take down my last video about my weight loss and my Indiana Beach trip because my Weakling Coward sister couldn't handle it. Well, I'm back here at the Y again today. She threw such a huge temper tantrum about it because I had lost so much weight, and the fact that we passed through Logansport without her permission and stopped at Boland's for the first time in 6 or 7 years. Oh, she just couldn't handle it and called me a liar. Oh, the temper tantrum was absolutely epic. Well, folks, again, here's the fins I've been using to strengthen my legs. Sorry, Heather. And once again, yes, this is how much weight I've lost. Doing all my swimming and mowing my yard, riding my trike, and eating and drinking right. No pop, only water and tea. Juice every now and then. Sorry about seeing that epic temper tantrum from my sister. But that's what I've been dealing with my whole life. Kid you not. From the time she was a little girl. If I do something Miss High Queen disapproves of, that's what happens. Every time she disapproves of any wins that happen, just like our mother. Absolutely. And this time she did it absolutely publicly for everyone to see. Mm-hmm. Absolutely epic. Thank you for doing it publicly, Heather. So everyone could see I was not lying. I've been dealing with this my whole life. First with Mom, then with Heather. Thank you for making it public now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for doing the me too, me too, me too again. I went to Indiana Beach, so Heather goes, me too, me too. I built my micro brick White House and Capitol and Lincoln Memorial. Heather goes, me too, me too, me too. Every time. It's exhausting. It is absolutely exhausting to be her sister. But what can you do? You just gotta persevere. With the new card I won, I got my the new Hogwarts castle. We'll see how that one goes. I'm still waiting for it to arrive. So I'm thinking it's a culmination of all the other different sets that they sell separately. So we'll see how it goes. As you can see, through everything I deal with my sister, it's absolutely exhausting to be her sister. It's always exhausting to be the family member of a mentally ill family member. But it is what it is. So, ciao.